What will an unaccompanied asylum-seeking child meet in Sweden? Refugees in general, and unaccompanied minors especially, are in a vulnerable situation. Sweden has joined the UN Refugee Convention, as well as the Convention on the Rights of the Child, which will ensure the rights of children both in their home country and if they are refugees. Sweden receives many children who have fled from war, conflicts or other problems in their home countries and who come here to seek protection. This film is about what these children meet during the beginning of their time in Sweden. Some children live with a family while they are waiting for an answer to their asylum application. Most children live in a children's home while they wait. Some may have been refugees for a long time, and many have experienced difficult events. Adults work at the children's home. The children will get food, a bed, and clothes. The adults try to create a normal everyday life, with school and activities during free time. The children will also see a doctor or a nurse who will check whether they need any help to feel well. Social services make sure children in Sweden are well treated. Every unaccompanied asylum-seeking child will get a caseworker who will identify and follow up the child's needs. Every person under 18 years is a child. Children whose parents are not in Sweden have a legal guardian. The legal guardian decides on matters the child is too young to decide for him or herself. The older the child gets, the more the child can take part in deciding. The child will also have a public counsel. This is a person who knows about Swedish law and helps the child with the asylum application. It is the Swedish Migration Agency who processes applications for asylum in Sweden. Based on laws and regulations, they will decide who gets to stay in Sweden and who has to go back. The child's legal guardian and the public counsel will be present when the child has a meeting with the Swedish Migration Board. During these meetings, an interpreter who speaks both the child's language and Swedish will be present. The child will have the opportunity to tell the migration authority why he or she has come to Sweden, has experienced, and why he or she cannot go back. It can take time to get an answer to an asylum application. It is important that the child uses its time here in Sweden well. What the child learns here can be useful in the future, even if the child cannot stay in Sweden. Some children will get the answer that they can stay from the migration agency, while others are told they must go back. Some children have been in another country in Europe before Sweden, or have close family ties there. Then the child may have to go back to that country. If the child gets a no to its asylum application, the legal guardian and the public counsel can help the child to appeal. This means a court will check whether the migration agency is right. If the child still gets a no, the migration agency will help the child with its travel back and make sure someone meets the child when it arrives. If the child gets a yes to its asylum application, the child can stay in Sweden. If it is working well, the child can stay at the children's home or in the family until the child is ready to live more independently. Do you or your family want to help a child who has come to Sweden? Contact your municipality. They will tell you more.